Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Question number 1. What is the human body's largest muscle? Answer: the gluteus maximus. Question number 2. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer: the mitochondria. Question number 3. What is the most common gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen. Question number 4. Which desert is the largest in the world? Answer: the Sahara Desert. Question number 5. What river runs through Egypt? Answer: the Nile River. Question number 6. Which state is the Grand Canyon located in? Answer: Arizona. Question number 7. What is the capital city of Australia? Answer: Canberra. Question number 8. Which country has the largest land area? Answer: Russia. Question number 9. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Answer: Margaret Thatcher. Question number 10. What was the name of the ship that sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? Answer: the Titanic. Question number 11. Who was the 16th President of the United States? Answer: Abraham Lincoln. Question number 12. In which year did World War II end? Answer: 1945. Question number 13. Who was the famous Greek philosopher who taught Alexander the Great? Answer: Aristotle. Question number 14. What is the name of the toy cowboy in Toy Story? Answer: Woody. Question number 15. How many planets are in our solar system? Answer: 8. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Question number 16. What is the capital of Italy? Answer: Rome. Question number 17. How many sides does a hexagon have? Answer: 6. There are 6 sides does a hexagon have. Question number 18. Which mammal is known to have the most powerful bite in the animal kingdom? Answer: the hippopotamus. Question number 19. What is the largest species of shark? Answer: the whale shark. Question number 20. Which animal is known as the symbol of the World Wildlife Fund? Answer: the giant panda. Question number 21. What is a group of lions called? Answer: a pride. Question number 22. How many hearts does an octopus have? Answer: 3. There are 3 hearts does an octopus have. Question number 23. What is the main function of red blood cells? Answer: to carry oxygen. Question number 24. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Answer: the cerebellum. Question number 25. How many bones are there in the human hand? Answer: 27. There are 27 bones are there in the human hand. Question number 26. What is the colored part of the eye that controls the amount of light that enters? Answer: the iris. Question number 27. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer: the stapes in the ear. Question number 28. What planet is known as the Earth's twin? Answer: Venus. Question number 29. What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? Answer: Hubble Space Telescope. Question number 30. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Answer: Venus. Question number 30. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system? Answer: Venus. Question number 32. What is the term for a rocky object that objects the sun smaller than a planet? Answer, an asteroid. Question number 33. What does CPU stand for in computers? Answer, Central Processing Unit. Question number 34. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Answer, Bill Gates. Question number 35. What does USB stand for? Answer, Universal Serial Bus. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do subscribe, like to our channel.